Imagine producing 10,000 PCBA units, only to discover that every single one has the same issue. Not one, not 10, but all of them. In PCBA manufacturing, even a small mistake, such as using the wrong component, incorrect polarity, or poor soldering can escalate into a major problem. What's worse, these issues are often discovered only after production is completed. In real production scenarios, BOM errors and reversed polarity are more common than you might expect. Many factories only identify these problems after the entire batch has been finished. At POE, we understand that small issues in the early stage can turn into significant losses later. That's why we never skip any critical inspection process before mass production. Before full-scale production begins, POE conducts first article inspection FAI. We perform a comprehensive check on the first assembled board, component placement, polarity orientation, soldering quality, functional testing. Only after everything is fully verified do we proceed to mass production. Detecting a single issue early is far easier than fixing thousands of boards later. At POE, FAI is more than just a process. It's a safety barrier. It protects not only costs and lead time, but most importantly, our customer's reputation. If you are looking for a PCBA supplier, don't focus on price alone. First, confirm whether the supplier performs FAI before mass production. At POE, FAI is a standard procedure, never optional. If you need stable and reliable PCBA services, feel free to contact POE today.